welcome back to another episode of Gearheadgirl Garage, where today we're going to show you how to remove your rack end and your tie rod end. Alright, so first step, you want to remove this clip so you can get this boot loosened off and get to that. Alright, so you've got that down, got that off, and now we just need to pound down this retaining clip so it's not holding on to this anymore. There is a retaining washer back here, so what you can do is take a flathead screwdriver or a punch and just go through and knock the edges of that back so that's all clear. And then it's a 32 mil, but you might have trouble getting it off on this side, so we're going to use this. Go on there and start to remove that. Alright, so that we've gotten this loosened up, we're going to go ahead and remove this nut and drop this part down. Okay, so this nut is a size 17. So once we've got the 17 millimeter nut up to the top, we're going to use our ball joint splitter. So just slide that on like so. And start to wind that down. And then you just wind that until you hear it pop. You can give a little persuasion with a hammer. Okay. And you can see that it has come off the taper, so now we can remove the nut and take it off. Awesome. So you can see that there, and once we have that free, we can twist it and remove it. So we will be saving our lock washer, so we'll clean that up for use. Alright guys and gals, so that concludes this episode on how to remove your rack end and tie rod end. So yep, we remove successfully out. Alright guys and gals, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit like and subscribe. We'll catch you guys back in the next one. See you. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and like and comment if you enjoyed this video. If you want to be awesome and provide support for better content, click on the Patreon link in the description below. Check us out online at gearheadgirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram and TikTok at gearheadgirl69.